Hello. It's almost sunset here at Lake Wendouree in Ballarat. The last time I was here was nearly 3 years ago. A lot has changed since then. I remember coming here then, the lake alive with ducks, swans, pelicans, coots, and moorhens. Now, 3 years on, it feels different. The waterbirds have thinned out. Only a few remain. Maybe the water's lower. Or maybe life has shifted. But this place still holds its timeless charm. Now, Lake Wendouree isn't just a beautiful spot. It has roots that stretch back to the early gold rush era. Originally, a shallow swamp known as Black Swamp, and later Uwili Swamp. After settler William crossed Uwili, the name Wendouree comes from a local Aboriginal word, reportedly meaning "go away," a misunderstood reply that stuck. Its legacy even includes hosting rowing and canoeing from the 1956 Melbourne Olympics. An enduring monument on the shore still marks the moment. Lake Wendouree is a living tapestry of history and nature. A place that grown from swamp to sanctuary. And through any season, its story continues. So folks, if you got a chance or spare time, come and visit Lake Wendouree.